Hi, this is Roni, and welcome to my channel. Today is Mixed Media Frenzy, where we all take the same sketch, but do it differently. Somehow, some way we do. I'll tell you right now, I don't have that little thing up there at the top right-hand corner. Somehow I didn't really have room for it when I got done. But I'm going to use that picture of Charlie going down the slide backwards, and I already drew my circle and punched my holes because I'm going to stitch that circle. And I'm not going to have quite enough stitches because when I did my stamping, I picked one of the stamps that had 2 words, and so I needed to move my picture up more. I had this arranged where I planned on putting my picture, but I thought, well, I just save some time and go ahead and have it ready. But you will see me put 3 extra stitches in there. I am putting glue on the back and washi tape also. And here I'm going to do my stamping. I set the Tim Holtz stamp thingy. I can't even think the name of it. Anyway, I set it up ahead of time so that I could get everything dark enough on the ink. I keep telling myself I'm not going to invest in any mixed media stuff, but I really think I need some ink that I can use on mixed media because no matter which one I try, I have problems. And, and here, I was trying to go along by the sketch. I really was this time. But I get all this stuff on there and then it hits me. I don't remember doing any mixed media, so I have to do a little. But yeah, it'll be in a little while. But I really don't see anything on the sketch. There's some little sprinkles of something on there, but not much. And so yeah, I'm going to have to add a little bit more since it is mixed media. That looks crooked, but I don't think it does on the finished layout. I think it got it straight on the finished layout. Not sure. I got this die here from Hobby Lobby when they had the sale like last summer. And I seen on a YouTube video that they were having a markdown sale. So I went and looked and I got 2 sets of dies. This is the first time using this one. I cut the dark side out first and laid it down. And then I cut the light side out. And this is a Teresa Collins paper. And so it's the same thing twice, but I thought I wanted it a little bit more fuller and different colored leaves in there. And those flowers, they're old. Put down below if y'all had got flowers. They come in the milk bottle. See it standing right there next to the glue? And there's so many in there, you'll never run out. Dummy me. I think I bought 3 jars of them. And I ran across this one the other day. Well, I know it's been a week and a half. And I put it right there on my table so I'd use it. This is my first time using it, but I am using it, so I'm pretty tickled over that. I was going to use the ones that came with the die. There are some that come with the die, but why cut them out when I got all of these that need used? So yeah, some of them are layered together and you got to unlayer them, but that's not much work, considering if I cut them out with a die, it would have been a little bit more. But I would have had varying sizes with the dies. This way I had all the same sizes, but I did have a good variety of color. I pulled out my gelatos, and I'm using the light blue one since my ink is Pacific blue, I think it is. It's close to my heart. And I thought, I did smear that one down there on the bottom, so I picked this color. And I was planning on using more of a green, but since I smeared that down there and I thought I'd have to use some thing to make it blend in a little more with the paper, I used this color. And it worked out pretty good. You can't tell it's hardly smeared at all. And I'm just putting it in all the places that I would have put it if I'd put it on first. Basically, that's what I'm doing. And I get it all on there, and then I decide I need a little bit of pink. So you will see me pull out the pink. I picked the lightest pink, and I'm going to put some of that on here and there. I'm not going to go over the top, but wherever my brush didn't actually hit, I tried to put the pink in there. And of course I wanted some splatters. You got to have some splatters. I didn't do no splatters with the pink, so you'll just see me put it on there without any. Oh, and it does show a little bit of greenery down there at the bottom. So I had one, well, it needed a shim. So I had one that only halfway cut out. So that's what I'm using for the part on the bottom. I figured, why cut another one when I had half of one? I did have to do a little fussy cutting on this to get half of it to work though. And I am putting flowers on there too, but I'm not going to put cluster up in the right hand corner. There just wasn't any room. Anyway, I am using what I did with the stamps, and it's I think So Adorable, Love, and Something Sweet. Anyway, I was going to use that as my title because I really didn't have room in that wreath for a title. Oh, in the original, they just stamped the same thing over and over again. It went across there in the middle like 1.5 times, I think it was, and then on the bottom too, and it was all the same thing over and over. But I thought I'd pick different stamps out and have something a little bit different. And that's how I ended up having to move my picture because I was going for different. But yeah, and I decided I needed some Heidi Swap on here. Had to add me some gold. And I am going to take the pictures before they dry. And I don't have it in here because it wasn't dry. I needed to go ahead and get the video uploaded. So I came in here without it. But yeah, that's my layout. And look at that. I forgot to move that. But look, see, it was fine. I was very, very lucky. I thought, oh no, it's going to be a total disaster. But it wasn't. But check out all the links down there below of all the other gals doing a mixed media frenzy with the sketch. And some of them are awesome. They just do such great mixed media. Me, I don't know if me and mixed media go together or not. I haven't quite made up my mind. But yeah, that's my layout. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And all of you that already are, thank you. And I hope you all have a happy, scrappy week and stay safe. Bye.